In today's video, we are going to learn about how to drill a hole of 3 feet and above in a hard steel metal using a water technique. So we are going to first measure the bolt. This is number 10 millimeter. So we are going to drill in here a hole of 10 millimeter using a drilling bit of 10 millimeter and a drill. So this is the drilling bit of 10 millimeter. So we are going to drill a hole, but this thing is a bit long, so you have to be careful. You may break the drilling bits. So you should keep yourself a bit straight. You have to decrease the speed of the drill using a transformer, a step down. You are seeing some smoke, so the drilling bit has heat up. So let me first get some water. So I've got some water to cool the drilling bit, because if it tries to overheat, it may break and it will start to stick inside here. So after sticking, the second result is to break this drilling bit. So you have to be careful. So, and you need the use of water. So you should keep looking into the hole to get so that you can be a bit straight and see whether you are leaving some big spaces aside. So you have to make sure that all spaces they are equivalent. So you have to be careful when drilling along, like this thing is too long. The width of it is too long, so you have to be careful. So I'm trying to bend myself close to make the hole a bit straight in that I put the bolt when everything is a bit straight. So the technique of drilling a long piece of metal is all about water, using water. So if you don't use water, the drilling bit will heat up. So after heating up, it starts sticking. After sticking, it will end up breaking. Even the speed of the drill matters. So if you use when the speed is too high, the drilling bit will not drill. So the sharp points they get spoiled if you use a too high drilling speed. If you use a high drilling speed, so that's why I decrease this drill with a step down, so to control the speed of this machine. Don't forget to use water. And be careful when this drilling bit is passing through, it may use a lot of force, it may push you, so you have to listen. You listen the drilling machine, it will tell you that the drilling bit is soon to pass through, so you have to be careful. So you have to be careful. So drilling still is not like drilling copper, because at steel we use water, then copper we use some oil. So now the work is done. It's time for testing whether the bolt passes through. So the bolt passes through, but it's a bit sticky. Let's again try to make it a bit smooth, but be careful here that it may break the drilling bit. You have to be careful. Let's test again. Have to remove the remaining pieces. So now finished to drill a steel metal. It's a steel pipe, hard steel. So thank you for watching.